It's not your regular khichuri. It has a special ingredient that makes it different but so tasty. First, add mustard oil into the pan and then add dried red chilies. Fry them until it becomes darker in color and then set aside on a different plate. On the same pan, add cinnamon stick, cardamom, bay leaves and chopped onions. Then fry the chopped onions until it becomes golden brown. After that, it's finally time to add the key ingredient, which is Panch Phoron, Bengali 5 spices. You can get it in Bangladeshi shops or in Indian shops. Stir and fry all the ingredients. Next, add ginger paste or grated ginger or garlic paste or grated garlic. Stir and fry all the spices together and then add oil if it starts to stick to the bottom. Now add 1 cup split and dehusked mung beans, as we call moong dal. Keep stirring and fry it for 4 to 5 minutes. After that, you have to add the vegetables. My mom has taken raw papaya, carrots and pumpkin. After adding all the vegetables, you have to stir and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes of stirring and cooking, you have to add salt. Stir and mix the salt very well with the ingredients. Next, add half cup red lentil, or as we call musur dal. Stir and fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Next, you have to add turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. After adding the spices, stir and cook very well, and you can add little water, very little, and then stir and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, it's finally time to add the rice. Add 2 cups of chinigura rice, as we call pulao rice. Stir and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After it's done cooking for 4 to 5 minutes, it's finally time to add the water. Add 8 cups of water for the amount of rice, lentils and vegetables we have here. Then mix all the ingredients very well and add fried dried red chili and green chili. Now cover it with a lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes in medium heat. Open the lid and check if the rice has become soft. Soft rice means it's done cooking. Subscribe for more recipes. Enjoy!